It's like a little no-buy support group. Hi friends, and welcome back to Maya's week of posting every single day until the new year. Are you excited? Are you tired of me yet? I'm not tired of you. But are you tired of me yet? So today's video is a little bit different. If you've been watching all my videos this week, then you know that one of my goals is to save more money in 2024 because I have a wedding in 2025 and weddings are expensive. Part of the way that I'm going to successfully pay for that is I'm doing a no-buy year. Now, I am going to put some disclaimer. No-buy doesn't fully mean no-buy, but it's 98% no-buy. So you could call it a low-buy, but it's also a no-buy for the most part. What is a low/no-buy year? And why am I still gonna buy some stuff but still call it a no-buy? So the point of no-buy years are exactly that, to not buy anything throughout the year. Now, the rules that I'm putting down for myself, I can repurchase only things that are staple items that I have purchased multiple times and have used up fully. For example, if you saw my empties video, I had the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I use that. Anytime that I don't feel like doing a full face, that's my concealer. I can repurchase that if I run out of that. Deodorant, I can repurchase if I run out. Toothpaste, I can repurchase if I run out. So like those staple items, my tried and true items, and also like personal hygiene items like that, I can repurchase. Things like shower gel. I have so many shower gels that I have not gone through. I have so many foundations that I have not gone through. I have so many eyeshadows. I have so many lip colors. So until I go through those products, I'm not buying anymore. No new eyeshadows, no new eyeliners. Mascaras I will allow myself to purchase just because those do go bad. So therefore, I will allow myself to purchase new mascara because I can't really have a hoard of mascaras because they do expire. The only real exceptions, other than, like I said, those tried and true like staple products and products that expire and have to be replaced for that reason, are limited edition releases. I bought the Melt and Bailey Sarian collab. It was limited edition. I'm very excited that I got it. Things like that, if there's a limited edition collection that drops, I will still be willing to purchase any limited edition collections. If something is just all of a sudden going viral for no apparent reason, no, I'm not going to buy that. The other important caveat in my no-buy year is that I'm not going to let my fiance buy things for me. Now, if he surprises me with something, my birthday comes up and he gets me, some makeup product I've been wanting, something like that, that's okay. That's not what I mean by I'm not going to let him buy me things. I mean, I've heard of people who do no-buys, but they'll then have their partner go out and their partner will purchase the makeup. And they'll be like, oh, look at what I got as a present. It's still a no-buy. I'm not gonna have him buy me things just because I want them. I'm doing a no-buy to save money for the wedding and hopefully to go through some of the product that I do have because I have a very large backstock of product right now. It would sort of go against the point to have him buy me the things that I want. Now, the thing is, and this is where I am a little hesitant and I'm gonna have y'all keep me on track because at the end of the year, I'm gonna do a check-in about how I did. And I might check in periodically as well. But I also might do check-ins on Instagram. So like if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me there. I'm very particular about my hair. I use the same products on my hair. It's taken me a very long time to get my hair to a point where it's blonde and healthy. And I finally found products that I love for my hair. I do have a very large backstock and I'm going to attempt to go through it. However, if it turns out that those products do not work as well as my tried and true, I will repurchase them. I will repurchase my Kerastase shampoo. I will repurchase my Macadamia Deep Conditioning Mask. I will repurchase my Lanza Trauma Treatment, my Wella Leave-In Balm, my Olaplex Oil, my IGK Blonde Toning Drops. Those are what have my hair at the point that it's at. Those are my go-to products, and I will be repurchasing them as needed. Again, I will try to use my back stock of products first, but if they don't perform the same, then I'm going to go back to my products and I will keep repurchasing them. So I guess that to lay it all out, starting January 1st, I will not be purchasing any cosmetics, skincare, hair care, personal care, any products like that, unless they are absolutely required, such as deodorant, toothpaste, or my tried and true have been using for years. Those I'm going to try to not repurchase though. Those I'm going to try to go through my back stock. I'm not letting anyone else buy product for me unless it is an actual gift-giving holiday. What does my no-buy year mean about hair care and skincare? I'm still going to go get my hair done. I'm still going to go to the salon and get my hair colored and cut and do all of that. That does not count against my no-buy year. Just like how I will still go and I will get skincare treatments and I will get facials and I will get dermaplaning and I will get lash lifts. I don't get lash extensions, but I get lash lifts. The skincare is done by my best friend, however, so I get those best friend benefits. The point of this year is to save money and go through products I already have. Be more sustainable. Go through all of my back stock because I have a whole office that's just full of stuff that I always tell my sisters, like, hey, come look through this. Like, I need to downsize. Come look through my stuff. I have a bag right now to give to my friend Gabby of just stuff. Also, I do want to give credit. My friend Linda, Glitter Fallout, did this last year. I don't think her rules were the exact same as mine. I think she was just on a very strict low buy, which I guess is kind of similar to what I'm doing. But that's where I got the idea from. I'll link Linda's channel down below. I love that girl so much. Oh, absolute sweetheart. If you don't follow her, you should. All right, y'all. So that is what I'm getting into. I'm trying to afford a wedding and trying to be more eco-friendly. Just go through everything I own and downsize everything I own. So I know that that might be a little boring of a video, but that's what I'm getting up to this year. If you feel like doing a no-buy with me this year, I would love to have friends that are doing this with me because Lord knows that as soon as I see something pretty that I want to buy, I'm going to want to change my mind on my no-buy. So I need people to back me up here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've ever done a no-buy, if you're gonna do a no-buy with me, what your opinion is on no-buys in general. Make sure to subscribe if you are not subscribed and hit the bell because if you don't, YouTube will never tell you when I post a video because it's a little bit broken that way. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.